Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is PapiVodka. If you don't know me and if you know me, thank you. I really appreciate it. So on today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this makeup tutorial of the Joker 2019. I really gave my little twist to it. I want to do the eyebrows at the bottom of the blue triangle, like in the middle between both of them instead of the other side. I also put eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara, so I really gave my little twist to it and I really love how it ended up looking. I am in love with it. So yeah, if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching.
Okay, first things first, child, you better pull up your foundation. So I'm using Fenty Beauty, and you just put it all over your neck, your ears and your face, obviously. When your face is full of foundation, you gotta make sure to put foundation on your eyebrows. So you gotta make sure to try to hide the darkness of your eyebrows. So if you have blonde eyebrows, like just skip this step. But if you have like dark eyebrows like I do, just put a little bit of foundation so you can try to hide the darkness as much as you possibly can. When that's done, I'm gonna grab a little bit of Halloween face paint. So I'm just gonna grab the color red and I'm gonna focus in the center of the eyebrows. Just focus at the center at first. Don't try to shape them at all. When you already filled in your eyebrows with red, you're gonna try to set it with a red eyeshadow. You gotta make sure to set it so it doesn't stay like creamy or liquidy on your eyebrows. Once your eyebrows are already set in, it's time to line your eyebrows and give it the shape you want. So this step depends on the eyebrow shape that you want to achieve. If you want more natural eyebrows, you can also use an eyebrow brush and shade them. And don't worry if you mess up, you can fix it with concealer later on. Now I'm gonna start drawing where I don't want the face paint to be. So that's gonna be the triangles, the nose, and the smile. So I totally forgot to make the nose, but don't forget about it. You do not want face paint on these places. Now you gotta make sure to outline just the eyebrows, okay? Just grab the white face paint and outline your eyebrows, because you don't want face paint on your eyes, but we gotta make sure to outline the eyebrows first before we start with the eyes. Now it's time to prime wherever you're gonna put eyeshadow on. So you gotta prime the eyes and the triangles with concealer or eye primer. I didn't prime the mouth or the nose because it's not necessary there, honestly. So just prime them and don't forget to set them before putting on some eyeshadow on top of it. Now you gotta put white eyeshadow where the eyeshadow is gonna mix with the face paint so it doesn't look messy. So I'm just outlining my eyes with white eyeshadow. So starting with the eyes, I'm gonna use brown and black to make the transition from the eyeshadow to the white eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna put that all over my crease and blend it as much as I can. Once that's done, I'm gonna prepare my eyeshadows for the cut crease, and I'm just gonna use a Q-tip to clean most if I can, and then I'm gonna cut my crease. Once your crease is already cut, you're just gonna use white eyeshadow on the inner corner, and you're gonna use blue eyeshadow on the outer corner, and you're gonna blend that shade, honey, because let me tell you, I was struggling, child, but I did my best. Y'all better do a better work than me at this, okay? So now I'm gonna cut my eyeshadow where my eyeliner is going to be, and I'm gonna put some eyeliner and some mascara, and we're done with the eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna finish outlining my nose, and we're gonna start putting face paint to our face. Make sure to not put face paint where you don't want it to be. The triangles, the nose, and the mouth, okay? Because let me tell you, once y'all do that, it's gonna be an issue. So y'all better do it right. Now that your face is already white, it's time to color the triangles and the mouth and the nose. So I'm gonna start with triangles, and the reason why I chose eyeshadow over face paint is because since it's cream's base, if the white and the color will mix, they will become like a lighter blue in the middle, and the mouth and the white, they will become a pink. So I wanted to mix the eyeshadow with the face paint so it looks like the colors are not mixing, if you know what I'm saying. So now you're gonna blend the eyeshadow with the face paint with your finger because you want to give it that blurry effect and it looks totally cool. So be careful with it, just blend slowly and don't get too carried away. Now you gotta put some shimmer on that eyeshadow, honey, because let me tell you, the Joker doesn't wear a highlighter and I'm about to too, okay? Since we cannot use highlighter, we're gonna make these triangles shine because let me tell you, we need some shiny right here. Now the triangles are already done, we're gonna move to the nose and to the mouth. So make sure to make the outer corners of the mouth and the nose with eyeshadow because as I said before, you don't want the white and the red paint to mix because otherwise they're gonna turn out pink and we don't want that, okay? So I'm just using two shades of red, a darker and a lighter one, so we give it a little bit of dimension, you know. Now you're gonna grab the red face paint and you're gonna put it all over your lips and you're gonna mix it with a little bit of the eyeshadow to make it blend and give it a nice dimension to it. So now it's time to blend it with our fingers again and don't get too carried away with it because we're trying to look a cute mess, not a hard mess. You know what I'm saying? So make it work, make it look how you like. You can be creative with this, but don't get too carried away with it because you're gonna ruin it and fix that is gonna pain in the ass. So other than that, that's it.
So guys, this is the final result. I really had a lot of fun doing this look. Actually, I want to give it a twist. I didn't want to copy the right exact, makeup do, but I want to give it my twist. I want to give it like eyeliner, mascara. I want to eyebrows be where I want my eyebrows to be. So this is a little bit twist, and I really had a lot of fun doing it. I really just thought of ideas, what color of eyes will suit better this look, and I'm so happy how it ended up looking. So what do y'all think about it? Let me know down in comments. If y'all want more tutorials, what do you want me to do a tutorial for Halloween or any other type of look, a makeup review, let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate if y'all subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.